Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change screen timeout in your Lenovo K13. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Lenovo K13 and you will notice that whenever you're keeping your phone wet and it's going to be immediately or very fastly the screen going to be timeout, which is make you very annoying. You might be decide to how to extend that screen timeout. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You just swipe up just like this and you need to jump over settings section. After click over settings section, you need to click here display. After click over display, you need to click here advanced, and then we're going to find here something say screen timeout. After click over screen timeout, you can choose here, you can choose 30 seconds to 30 minutes, but I prefer to make it 2 minutes. You can choose any time if you want. So within this way, you can easily change screen timeout in your Lenovo K13. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.